What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and in today's video we're going to look at repossessions, or specifically one, and there are a lot of these repos coming through salvage auctions now, IAA and the like, and one of the biggest people running through is Ally Financial. We have this Subaru STI right here. I believe that's a WRX. I have to look around the back. We have this Jaguar XJL, and I believe we also have this Hyundai. All of these are repossessions. Let's get into it. You can literally see the sphere over there just cheesing and turn. I'm waiting to see if it turns around and smiles at me over here. You can see its eyes facing over that way. It literally just goes around and it's like, yo, it's good. Anyways, let's go ahead and look at this Subaru. I believe this said it was a WRX. It does have the updated brakes and stuff. I'm not a Subaru guy, so I wouldn't be able to tell you. Oh, I see his Instagram is on there. That kind of sucks. I don't know. If my car was going to get repoed, I'd probably pull all my stuff off of it. But this one did get repoed. I don't know if they have keys. It's got the Recaro seats. This one's nice, guys. And it doesn't look like it does. So this thing has been repossessed with no keys. Interesting. You got more parts and other stuff over here for the car. In here, all different types of, I don't know what that is, but oh, I see an alternator right there. Let me look under the hood. Let me find out this thing was in different levels of disrepair, and then they just let it go. Now, Ally sent it here. This is one of the other problems that have been going on is, you know, some of these financial companies are repoing these cars and then sending them to auctions and abandoning them. Like, I know you're going to... I can't. All right. So Kid must have knew that they were going to repo his car. And he said, yeah, you're going to repo my car? Cool story, bro. Boop. And he snatched the whole engine out. Damn. Well, you're getting a car with no engine, decent looking body. But I guess he figured, you're going to repo my car? Oh, yeah? All right. I'm going to have to hit him up on Instagram to get the backstory on this, because that's kind of funny. Well, next we have this Jaguar XJ, which is sagging back there in the rear. It's a 2016 Jaguar. So I think it has the upgraded headlights. What I'm going to do here is see if she has any power. And if not, I'll pop the hood and maybe hook my jump pack up to it and see what's up with this one. This one is very nice, though. Look how clean this is. Oh, that's what it literally has a Velcro strip right here to be able to hold this up. All right, that's an interesting Jaguar modification right there. And it keeps falling. That's for the outside door. So repossessed. At least this one has a key fob. Let's go ahead and open the hood, and we'll see if we can get any power on it, if she'll start. Probably not. And I don't know if this one, oh, this has the updated headlights. I like this. I don't know if this one has the 3.0 or the 5.0. We'll find out here in just a second. Supercharged what? Where's the tag? .3.0. So it has the 306. Evidently it's supercharged. That's cool. Let's see if she has a jump point. She does, right there. And I can ground to the strut mount. So let's get the jump pack out over here, and we'll see. This is crazy though, because you know what's even nuts is a lot of these repossessed cars are going cheaper than crashed cars. Mainly because people have to wait for a while on title and and other things. But that's, got a jump point right there. Bomb. Let's see if she gets any juice. I had to use her here recently to jumpstart a scat. I'm hoping she has enough power for this. She does. 13.2. Let's see if she'll give her a start. Oh, I got nothing here. Wait and see if I hear anything, or maybe this thing is having Jaguar electrical issues. I see 13.1. Clearly getting juice, right? I mean, what else can I do? One of the strut mounts, maybe? I'm trying to figure out where else I can ground this thing where she'll literally give me a chance to start. Connected. All right, evidently that's not enough to ground it. That should be it. There it is. It's grounded. It's got a connection. And I can hear it clicking for the boost, but she ain't got nothing going on in here. Huh. Well, it's a Jaguar. What can I tell you? It's clearly going to have issues, but yeah, she's not happy. It's definitely getting power. That's what's crazy. Oh, well. That's going to be it for me. I'm not going to keep messing with it. But it's interesting to see all of these repossessions here like that. We'll take a look at this Hyundai Sonata last before we get out of here. But it's funny to see that the Subaru kid just ripped his motor out and said, F you. This Jaguar, who knows, maybe they pulled a fuse somewhere or something so that they can't start it. Wouldn't surprise me. This one was sitting somewhere and it had a parking violation on it. So, and another one, it says no run, no drive. And I'm guessing no keys, right? Oh. Nope. Oh, is it one of the Kia boys? Yep. Some bitch. Yeah. So here, I'm going to make a separate video on this one. And I'm going to talk about how the Kia boys do Kia things with these Hyundais and these Kias. But there you guys have it. You know, here are the repos. These are all of this stuff that you see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Like everything down this row is all repossessions. What does it mean when there's more repossessions at the salvage auction than the regular auction? Because the regular auction is overfilled with repos, which means the market is in trouble. But anyways, that's going to do it for me. I'm running out of daylight and time here. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Give me a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And I will see you guys very soon on the next one.